Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so today I have another makeup video for you guys, so I hope you're really enjoying these. This is going to be my foundation routine, so everything that's got to do with face, you will see it today. And I just wanted to reiterate that everybody's makeup routine is different, so it's absolutely fine if I do things here a little bit different from how you've seen maybe another guru do it or how you do it yourself. I'm just sharing how I do my foundation routine, and hopefully there's something in this video that you can walk away with. So if you're interested to see how I do my foundation routine, then just keep on watching the video. That's the end of this tutorial. I went ahead and finished up the rest of my look off camera, as well as the background is different because I just got done recording another video as well. So do look out for that. If you're not a part of the family yet, I would really appreciate it if you join in on all the fun. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a beat. I upload every Friday and Wednesdays. I do hair videos, makeup videos, skincare, vlogs, pretty much anything you can think of. So I'm pretty sure there's something here for you to enjoy. So with that being said, before you go, I'm gonna just place another video right here so you can just, keep it rolling, keep the ball rolling, and just watch another video. If you like me, why not just hang out with me a little bit longer, right? So until next time, guys, bye.